Hi guys, I am Sariyah. Welcome to Jolly Toys, and today I will be making all you a bracelet. We have our pigs. I'm calling them pigs because everybody else calls them. And we also have our stick. Our thing to hook it. It's really tiny, but when you put it up, it's really big. And we also have our rubber bands. Now I made these two bracelets, and I know you guys saw me make this one and this one. And and these are actually really stretchy, so they fit your wrist perfectly. Right, Mommy? You like yours? Okay. I am gonna be making. Let's see. I'm going to make yellow, put this yellow in here, yellow and black, yellow. Mommy, is this the right size for me? Right here.
Maybe one for Grandma?
Of course. Her favorite color is yellow. How long is Grandma's wrist?
You can do Grandma's to the top. You should do yellow and white for Grandma. That'd be really pretty.
Great idea.
You need me to help sort it out, or you okay?
I need some help sorting things out.
Okay. Help you get some going over here.
And this is my mommy.
Hi, everybody. I look a little crazy right now, but it's okay.
We all do.
We all have our days.
Yeah, our bad hair days.
Yeah.
But my hair is pretty.
Yeah.
Even though if it's crazy in the morning, it's still pretty.
Mm-hmm. All right, I think that should be
It.
That should be okay. So we just have some yellow and white rubber bands separated so we can organize it a little bit better.
First, I'm starting with yellow because that's the first thing we started with.
There we go. Now they can see what you're doing. See? Looks all right. Look up. Now they see you.
I don't know why I be having the camera too close.
Okay, baby. So right now she's just putting the rubber bands in a diagonal zigzag motion, like a Z, as you guys can see.
Guys, you should really try this at home. You can only try it if you're 8, 7, or 6, or 5, or 4. No, I don't know that 4, but it can't be 3 to do it. And only if it's older age than 3, then you can do it. Maybe not 4 because
Really 8, but being that Sariyah is a really big girl and she's very mature and smart, she can do it, and her mom and dad is here to help her.
yeah, and I'm actually really smart because I know science, like the tibia and fibia. Okay, I would not say that again because some little 3-year-olds are watching this, and I bet they don't know what the tibia and fibia are. So I'm just gonna zigzag. And again, if you're 3 years old and you want to do this, please have an adult. Because we do not want you to eat these rubber bands and get sick. Right, Mommy?
Right. So right. Very dangerous. It has very small parts.
Very. The teens.
Safety is always first.
Uh-huh. like when you be in the car and you need to buckle your seatbelt first. That's safety first. I lost the. They can only see my head, not the thing. There. Maybe I should sit back like this. No. It's a thing in the way. Okay. Okay, yellow.
I'm just trying to make sure they see what you're doing.
Mhm.
Let's see.
My head's cut off.
I know, baby, but they gotta see what you're doing too. So if they can see what you're doing, then it's fine, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
I think we need more yellow. We're running out of yellow. Almost finished. Guys, no rush, no rush.
Right here.
At first, I thought I was gonna make one more bracelet, but this is actually for Grandma.
Alright, guys. This is what it should look like.
Take my stick. I'm gonna take my stick here, use my stick, and it has a pointy thing, a hook, so it can, you know, so it can pick up the ribbon and put it to white, not right.
So what's the next step?
Now I'm gonna take it, flip it over.
Always keep it 180 degrees. Just gonna let you guys get a close up to see what she's doing. She's putting the white to white, looping it over, and she's putting the yellow to yellow.
Yep. Try to put it, keep it on the table. It doesn't fall. It's okay if it falls. And it's okay if you mess up.
Back the phone up, girl, before you drop it.
Drop it. I'm doing a video, not holding it.
I know, but you keep moving the thing. And the hook right here when you finish, okay?
Okay. It's okay if your arms hurt and just take a little break. My neck hurts. Okay, I'm gonna take a little break, but I don't want to keep the.
You need to help you?
Yes, please. My arms are getting tired.
Yeah, I'm just gonna help her finish this because she's tired. This is her third bracelet in a row that she's made, so it's understandable.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna help her finish this bracelet.
Mommy does it a bit faster than me because she's older than me.
It's okay, baby. Just do it at your own pace.
Huh?
It's okay. I'm just gonna grab that. Put it in there. Bring it back around. Problem solved. Nice and easy. Don't trip, guys. Just take your time. It's pretty simple. White to white, yellow to yellow.
Mommy, when you made the anklet last night, was it easy?
It was easy.
The first 3 steps are easy, but the twisting part, it broke. But at least you got it right. It's kind of like the bracelet, but a lot bigger.
Yeah, and I added an extra color. So I used 3 colors instead of 2. You can do that, guys. You can use as many colors as you want. You can do 2 colors, 3 colors, 4, 5, rainbow. Whatever you choose to do.
Yeah, guys, and in my next video, I am going to make an American flag one.
That's a good idea.
Blue and red, because I still haven't used my red. I have. That was my bad. I just forgot the day when I made Daddy's bracelet. I'm going to use blue and red.
For this part, you guys.
Yep.
Side to side.
And there's our bracelet. It's really stretchy, so it should fit you.
I'm just gonna take this. You see this right here?
Na 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 na.
A little opening. I'm just gonna put it through that opening right there. And voila, guys, we have a bracelet.
Yep. Hey presto.